Oh, it's so cold. Easy, buddy. Just love those guys in there. They're just nice guys. They want to help. And look what I found popping out of Maxim. Can't wait to get started on this project. Oh. I think we got a fire. Here's for Paved To Pines. Organization. Not the best, not the worst. Still waiting, still looking, can't find it now. It's minus 30 right now, still waiting. They've enlisted some help and the search continues. I've just been informed the system is collapsing inside of there and that this is a daily occurrence. Success, we found the package. You didn't check your surroundings. I was way too cold, so I may have moved inside while they load me up. What a catastrophe of a pickup though. Gotta be better, Jays, gotta be better. Great people though. This guy just pulled up in front of me. No patience. Tried to talk to him, cracked a joke, and he just walked right by me. I wasn't even there. Bumpers are in! Where is everyone? Is anyone here? Where did you get that vest?
My mom made this for my dad when I was a kid, and I found it.
Like, that needs to be team uniforms right there.
Right? Just call Shirley, she'll make all the boys one.
Couple cute penguins. Look at that little guy.
This is a Phillips.
Such a huge box for such an underwhelming surprise.
This is
what did you find?
Assume this goes on the back of the tire?
That mounts here, carries the spare tire, and that goes right there. Aluminess tire rack is on. Look at that. Woo. So it just mounts right on the hinges. Super easy install. Super impressed with how it looks. What a beautiful mount. Christian is working on a little bit of a storage center today. We are running out of room very quick. Okay, so that was Christian's morning, saving some space for us. Might as well give you guys a tour of what else we got in our shop. The Beluga bus just pulled in. So this thing's got an 18-inch roof raise already, and we are gonna be completely kitting this thing out for some off-grid adventures. So those window jams are gonna be going right here. And there's a lot of them. Okay, that archway inside Rio's bus, that one over. This is how Christian made it. I'm not even gonna try explaining it, but just take a look. These little cups are to clamp to. Absolutely, that's what we're doing. So, sliced all those little cuts to get the bend. Clamped it tight. 500 clamps. Let the glue set, and you've got yourself an archway jam. Then he found the bendable plywood. Let's see how long this takes. Done! That's it! Alright, let's go see what Mitch is up to. Yo, what are you ordering?
Valentine's gifts.
I cannot put that in the video. This computer is unfortunately on its last leg.
Is it?
Just waited a good 2 hours. 2 hours it took to turn on. Unacceptable, really. 3-year-old computer, not impressed. Not only does that thing not last for battery life, look at, I signed in, it's still not doing anything. It'll take about 20 minutes to boot up. So in the meantime, let me show you what I'm normally working on. When I'm not running around the shop, we're doing renders. So this is all out of our next Beluga build.
752.
Oh, I already showed that one. You know, they're just getting fancier and fancier. Other than that today, I think I'm gonna try to get this thing going. I gotta get it flying, and I gotta see if it's gonna fly in -40. I'm not confident. We have liftoff, or at least the propellers are spinning. But here's the issue. Gimbal disconnected. That's not good. Let's take this outside. Oh, come on. It's in the air, but it's hovering. Whoa! I cannot see anything. Absolutely perfect landing. I think we got a fire. Oh no. Van.
Thank you.
Just checking her out a bit.
I guess I should shut my lights off. I'm still battery.
You don't mind if I film her a little bit?
Yeah, there's one, yeah.
How do you even pick one? There's so many.